I'm Nazanin. Welcome back to my crochet corner. In the last video, we made a cute granny square motif, and today we're gonna turn it into the sweetest little strawberry AirPod case. It's fun and quick and super practical. You can also use it for keeping your small things, so grab your yarn and hook and let's start it. Start with a slip knot on your hook with your green yarn. Make 10 chains, and after that start from second chain from the hook and make a single crochet in there. Then make one half double crochet in the next stitch. For making half double crochet, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the chain, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through all the loops. Now we're gonna making one double crochet into the each next 3 stitches by making like this, or wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the chain, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, repeat one more time, the third double crochet. Now we're gonna making one half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, the first one and the second one. Now we're gonna making 3 single crochet in the next chain. Here, 1, turn to the other side and make 2 more single crochet in the same chain, the second one and the third one. One half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, first one and the second one. Okay, now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Okay, now we're gonna making 10 chains for the next leaf. Start from the second chain of the hook and make 1 single crochet in there, 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, single crochet in the next stitch and join with the slip stitch to the first space. Okay, now we're gonna making 40 or 45 chains for the back strap. Join with the slip stitch to the first stitch here. Now again make 10 chains for the next leaf, actually the third leaf, and do the same as the leaf number 2. Start from a second chain and make a single crochet in there, 1 half double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 half double crochet into each next 2 stitches, 1, 2 and 1 single crochet in the last stitch, and again join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, and again 10 chains for the last leaf. Okay, do the same with number 2. Do all the stitches for this one. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you're enjoying the crochet, or if you're a beginner or have a little experience in it, I'll be happy that you joined my little crochet family. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay, again join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, cut the yarn and fasten off. We're gonna join these leaves to our little crochet motif that we made in the previous video, and on one side we're gonna crochet a longer chains that's gonna be the strap of our bag, and one side we just add four chains to make a little loop so we can close the bag easily, and then the rest of the crochet is exactly the same as we did on the first side. And after that, all we need to do is that sewing the leaves on each crochet motif. Fix it by the pin on the motif, and after that sewing it by needle, and just moving very slowly between the stitches and join two sides, the motif and the leaves, to each other, and done. You can make this bag in any size you like. It could be a tablet case, a phone pouch, a book cover, and a wallet, or really anything you want. Just get creative and have fun. If you make this bag, don't forget to send me a picture. You can find my email and other socials in the description. Share your photos with me and make my day, my friends. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Your support truly means the world to me. What color will you choose for your own pouch? Let me know in comments. Okay, for joining two sides, make a slip knot on your hook. Start from the one side, the corner. Insert your hook into the back loops of each chains of each side. Grab a yarn, bring it out, and make a chain. Make a slip stitch, and make a chain. And go to the both stitch of the both side, and grab a yarn, bring it out from all the loops, make a slip stitch and a chain. Again, insert your hook into the stitch from the both side, make a slip stitch and a chain. Do this for all stitches, for all around. Make a slip stitch and a chain. When you reach to the corner, you must make a slip stitch and a chain 2 times in the corner space. I've got a few more AirPods Case design waiting for you. Make sure to check them out. You might fall in love with one and crochet too. Repeat this diagram until you reach to the corner. As I said to you, in the corner, insert your hook into the chain space, grab a yarn, make a slip stitch and a chain. Again, a slip stitch and a chain. Again, insert your hook into both stitches of each side. Grab a yarn, bring it out from the 2 loops, make a slip stitch and a chain. Do this for all stitches of each side to the 3rd corner. Okay, in the end, in the 3rd corner, make a slip stitch and a chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Secure your tail of the yarn between the stitches. Okay, that's it for our strawberry Airpod case. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. If you like, you can use a keychain clip or a ring for it. I'm using this type of the ring for the hanger. Don't forget to send it to your crochet buddies. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you soon with more crochet fun. Bye.